you want. Here it is. Yeah.
Speaking of cameras, have you plugged in our camera?
There it is. Can you move it a little bit further away, sweetheart?
Let him get it, so this way he doesn't get frustrated. Yay, I got it!
Put it over there. I'm videoing him. This is the... He won't get mad. He likes practicing.
That's how he gets everywhere.
That used to be how he did it.
Well, Azadi got really fast.
At the rolling?
Hello.
With the
Hello.
military crawl. He was really fast.
Hello! Well, the other day I have a video of him trying to get up on his thing. He got a little bit, but not really, really far.
Here, Dominic. Pass the red thing. Let's see.
Go.
Good job. You really got the hang of that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Say, good job. Good job.
Go on, Saget or one of those and do steakhouse.